Hi up, Dean. This is your news. Say, thought of the day is to speak to you a wee bit about fit's been happening this past week. Say, if you hinna seen, we've been in the papers twice. Say, in both the National and the Herald. Say, if you dinna ken about and it's getting on online between myself and Emma Gray, well, she then taken it upon herself to do an article in the National, ken about Scots and AI and about your news. Actually, we thought it was a good article. So again, Emma's a good journalist, and again, didn't want to pick any more facts with her, but again online she spread a lot of things that just weren't right about your news. The article itself was accurate. So again, we're happy about that. Again, and here you it, and Mark Zucker, you support a national. I think for Dean Martin, you can go and read it for free if it's half a good to them. I bought again a, a hard copy of it myself, but yeah, just can hear you it. But the other end was in the Herald, and Josh did again. He was off agreed with interviewing me, but in the Herald article, Ken, it just didn't get anything quite right about fit I'm dealing with. And didn't I realise about the articles and your news is it's my ain Scots. Ken, it's a why I like to read Scots, and it's based on what I've read my whole life. Ken, I've been interested in Scots for a long time, and Ken, you can see I think I've been online getting a there's on to do with AI, and Ken, if any AI come along, I thought to test it out because Ken, if it's been trained in all the great works, it'll ken about Robbie Burns, it'll ken fit the words mean, it'll ken fit to mark it soon like somebody like Robbie Burns, because I'd ken about interrelated languages, and actually ken large language models, again, like AI, is the sort of thing you need to ken to get the nuances. And that's what I thought was a wee bit funny about the article for Emma Gray, again, to sort of to basically be saying that when I get the nuances, that's the whole point. Is you need something like an LLM, again, to understand it. Ken Bosie isn't it quite the same as a hug? Giving somebody a Bosie, it's in a, you could translate a word hug for Bosie, but maybe in our situations, and there just be other times, and it just has a different meaning. Just aye. And there's money words like that in Scots. It's just near the exact translation, so you kind of just translate it AY ken ilka time. That's in certain situations you'll hear a word that you'll use, and other times other, and that's what I'm trying to train into it again with my database that I'm building. But most of the Scots words that are in there, again, to begin with, were I put in myself. This is a thing. It's this fit folk didn't realise. And when it said in there about again prompt-based things, that was to start off with. I'd not my prompt to give me a agreed first draft, but again, that first draft was nae of that. And this is the whole point, because folk like Emma Gray are feared that AI's stolen all their Scots. But in my opinion, their Scots is nice, the Scots that the AI puts out. Again, it tries to replicate what they're doing, but it doesn't soon, it's just nae richt. Um, so I've probably specked about hour long in this video, but again, I'm probably going to need to get into a bit more detail about fits ahint your news and through a my articles. But just to give you a wee bit of summary about fit I'm doing just now. See, I've got a fine-tuned model. See, I've got a model again already. It's already an LLM. It's capable. It's nae a newin. So actually, the newerines have got worse at Scots. The allerines ken a wee bit more Scots. See, I've got something that's got a foundation in Scots, and it's a commercial model. Again, that anybody can mark easily. That's again, I'm nae doing on him wrong. We can doing something innovative with that. But fit I fin with that model is it's nice for fit I'm trying to do with your news. It'll give you Scots, but the Scots isn't right. It'll be using words that are out of context. It'll be mixing it in with informal English, because it'll mix up, it'll mix or fit, English with Scots, and it when I ken the difference between something that's for the Yorkshire dialect and something that's for Scots, it's just mix. It's nice for fit to do with it. So Fanny is to fine tune it, and I'm fine tuning it on oorNews, and I can tack the whole database for oorNews and get it to do both translating from English to Scots, Scots to English, and then between the different variants of Scots. So this model's half capable of kenning fit variants the Scots in, and translating that into English, or translating English into Scots. But this model still isn't agreed new. So the new, it saves my time, but if I need to do is to proofread it and mark secrets I agreed. On top of that, fit hay, or on top of that, again, because again, it's like the way I'm speaking just now isn't like the way I speak all the time. This is fit we do in Scotland. Again, we switch a team speaking braid Scots, fit in my, fit, well, fit not just in my opinion, fit is a lead in its own right. It's its own language, braid Scots, or Scottish English, and I could swap to speaking that, and oh, up you come. Yeah, that's when I speak to my dog. Oh, up you come. Speak to them. Oh, yeah, but aye, so again, I don't speak again braid Scots all the time. That's what we are doing. Sometimes when you're speaking braid Scots, again, the old English word will slip in there, and it's just things that happens. It's just the way that we speak. But again, we're trying to deal with we're upholding the Scots language is again to just to be able to speak more Scots all the time, and that's for oorNews. Again, we'll be able to do is to just allow us to be able to speak more Scots. It'll just give us hundreds of Scots articles for folk to read, and I'm proofreading them all. Again, it's not as if it's just an AI unleashed to mark again Scots, and for Emma Gray to cut fish again. I just she can if she wants again, but what I'm trying to do with it is for folk to give feedback. Again, there's no really any seller in this. This is just a wee free project to give folk Scots to read. And if you don't like the Scots, tell me about it and I'll change it. Because I ken for Doric, letters I seem to be getting a wee bit of readership. Folk seem to like it. Folk that are fair North East. We hear a lot of folk in the North East that just screeve in Doric to their friends on their phones or whatever, and it's just Doric's in East. And folk I think are just happy to hear something to read in Doric is serious, about something. And hopefully do a lot more articles about anything and everything, just a copy for Colin Wilson, because I'm just standing on the shoulders of a giant here. It's I think it's come before me, and so I've tried to mark the Scots in there, or the Doric, in line with fit you see in the Doric books at the moment, the Bairns books, and just fit you see on Facebook, the way that speak to each other, a Doric humour forum. But this is not, it's not as if I've pulled all this off and trained this on AI. This is me doing editorial decisions about what I want to hear on oorNews. So again, ilka article's mine. And then with AI, I'm going to be able to automatically generate Scots the way that I want to do it. And that for me is what I wanted to do it to start off with. And I thought I might as well share this with everybody else. Because that's what I do. I want to get automatic science news about the latest things that are going on in the world. I know what to be finding out about this in my own language. I don't know what to be using English to find out what's going on in the world around me. And with AI, I can write a Python script, to gang you the whole internet, and look at what's going on in science, and give me an update about it. And I thought I might as well share this with everybody else, and I can do it about more than just science, and tell folk news that's not just propaganda or trying to make you feel AY or tither. It's just things that's informative and useful for yourself. But for the new, it's just myself doing it as a wee side project, and it's just I don't have the time for my Culliva. I'm able to do just a wee bit on my breaks. But on my other breaks, this is what I'm doing. I'm going walking about in the north east of Scotland. This is near Farabide. This is the River Don. Yeah, it's half a bonny, is it? But like and subscribe for more. And going to the website. It's oornews.co.uk. It's for Abdi, for Ulster, all the way up to Shetland. And just let me if you think about Scots. I can mark more variants, but that's not what I'm after doing. I'm trying to mark a Scots that's just that Abdi want to read. But I think the minimum is at least 3, probably 4. I don't think Orkney's got what would be lumped in with Shetland. I think I've got here to change that, but I'm waiting on somebody from Orkney to tell me that. But so far, I'll bide with it is for now. And so come along and read oorNews. Many thanks, Abdi, if you've been on and listened to the hail of that.